Hello, greetings everyone. Welcome to All Things Data, where we explore the power of data science, analytics, and beyond. I'm super excited to have you, and one of the reasons I'm super excited for today's episode is because that we are finally getting started with working on data science and analytics projects. We'll get to look into the Titanic Dataset. I'll leave the link to our dataset in the description box. Do go and download it on Kaggle. Alright, so yeah, what's basically happening in today's episode is that we are getting to understand the structure of our data. All right, but we'll first start by importing necessary libraries. We'll get to load our data, we'll visualize the missing values, stuff like that. All right, so yeah, that's basically what's happening. And before we finally get started, let me first start by asking you guys to subscribe, to watch the video until the end. And another thing, please do comment, do let me know what you think, and if there are any suggestions that you have for me on how I can approach my teaching or how I showcase what I'm doing, please do also let me know. I take every kind of criticism and compliments. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started, guys. Hey guys, welcome. So as I mentioned that we are working on the Titanic dataset. That's what we're going to do. We will explore the Titanic dataset. So we'll get to load the dataset, view and inspect the data structures. And the other thing that we will work on is checking for missing values. And finally, we will also have to draw a graph that will show us our missing values, right? And first things first, we are going to start with importing necessary libraries. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. We'll just start with that. Okay, just put it through.
here we were doing a test. Okay. So this is the test that shows us the missing values that we have in our data set. All right. So it shows us that we have missing values in the columns of age, fair, and cabin. Which in age we have just less than 100 missing values. Then in fair, this close to nothing. Then in cabin we have over 300 missing values. All right. This is how it shows us. So yeah, what we did so far is that we were able to load necessary or import necessary libraries that we're going to use for our dataset. And then we loaded the Titanic dataset. We inspected the structure and summary statistics for our dataset. And lastly, we identified and we drew a graph that shows how to visualize our the missing values in our dataset. All right. So if you found this a video or tutorial helpful for you getting started with just analyzing any data set, do give me a thumbs up and let me know. I would really appreciate that. So yeah, I think we have reached the end of us exploring our data set for Titanic. All right. See you.
We've come to the end of our video, and thank you so much for watching until the end. I really appreciate your time, and I really appreciate you liking the video as well, and I would really appreciate you subscribing as well to my channel. All right, so it can help me grow. All right, so yeah, I really hope that we did enjoy the video, and I really want to believe that we have learned so much. And if there's any way you think I could put my videos together for you guys, please do let me know, because I would really love to know how I can really curate my videos to properly cater for you guys, right? Yep. And another thing, let me tell you guys that I won't be making any tutorial videos for the rest of coming weeks until next year, simply because I'm in so much noise right now. Kids are done writing, there's just so much noise happening, and I don't want to be jinxing myself all the time, so I'll just wait for the proper time. And the next time I make this video, we'll be looking into data cleaning. All right, so yeah, that will be all from me. Do watch out for other videos that will be coming through. They won't be on teaching though, but it will just be videos coming through, and I hope you watch them as well. So that will be all from me for today. Bye guys.